I'm James King with Modern Roofing, up on top of Dustin Toccaceli's roof at 748 Wickham Drive, Graniteville, South Carolina, 29829. I'm going to be performing or attempting a repair on his roof. I'm going to be repairing this top wind damage shingle right here. I have a coworker recording me. So I won't show it until I'm done with the repair, but when I'm taking these nails out, for example, the nail I just took out, the shingle is ripping when I'm taking that shingle out. But I don't want to lift these shingles too high up while performing the repair to prevent creasing, so I'll show it once the repair is completed. So here's the old shingle. So you can see a bit of mat transfer is occurring on the shingle when unsealing it and taking it out. You can definitely see it a lot more right here. When mat transfer occurs, it's going to prevent this new shingle that I'm putting in. It's going to prevent these shingles above it to seal back down, which is only going to cause wind damage in the near future. It's kind of like putting a piece of duct tape that has dirt all over it and trying to use that piece of duct tape, but the duct tape doesn't stick anymore. It's kind of how I like to explain it. Here's the new shingle I'm putting back in, brand new 3-tab. I'm using a State Farm approved roofing snake. See a bit of grade loss, a bit of tearing occurring on the bottom of the shingles right there. So Nathan, if you want to get close up on the minor tears that are occurring when unsealing and nailing back these shingles, you can see that tearing is occurring on the bottom of these shingles. And then now that the repair has been completed, I'm going to lift these shingles up to kind of show the mat transfer that is occurring under these shingles right here. So it's pulled up. You can see right there a big chunk right there. Can the camera see that? Yep. Yeah, the mat transfer that's occurring on all the lower part of these shingles over here. You can see right there. So what mat transfer is going to do is it's going to prevent these shingles above this new shingle that we just installed to seal back down. So the shingles are not going to be able to seal back down properly, or most likely at all. So next time wind comes, you know, even it doesn't have to be crazy wind, this is a 3-tap shingle. Next time 40, 50, 60 mile an hour winds come, these shingles aren't going to be sealed down, and they're going to be wind damage here pretty soon, because those winds are pretty common around in this area. And then in addition to that, as you can see, we've already done a close-up, but tearing is occurring on the bottom and grain loss. So this roof is cannot be brought back to pre-loss conditions by just doing spot repairs.